Oh, I just wanna know what you know about me. Oh, I just wanna know what you know about me. Oh, I just wanna know what you know about me. A living legend when I die, know I said it here. Need them tennis chains hanging out that cashmere. Always been a G, running crazy at my fear. Got a buzz while I'm buzzing, no light year. Couple more people putting up with them compliments. Keep gassing me up, it feeds my confidence. When I'm over here, rapping on the mic, work at the crazy, go enjoy your fucking night. It's your life, bitch. Fuck them other guys who be jumping sides. You just live a lie, I'm just trying to fucking die. Legend when it's all said and done. I'ma make some records I dedicate to my son. Hesitation is none, domination I come. Frustration is one, perpetuating what's fun. Correlation is some, for me lashing out and killing all these fake trends. Just some drug addicted teens with some fake friends. I ain't gonna state again how I feel on this issue. Just know if you die from that shit, I will not miss you. I will not miss you, I will not miss you, I won't miss you. And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know what you know about me. And I just wanna know. I'm really entering a new motherfucking level, man. I feel this shit deep down. 4 songs recorded out in the night. I just wanna ask the question, who the fuck is in sight of a kid who'll be working every day of his life? You just talking to spite, I'm just talking to bright, huh? So every day I'm writing, every day I'm working. You talking all that shit, but never when you in person. Cause in person you a bitch and you know it, yeah. You a bitch and you know it.
Sell a quarter key for I sleep, yeah. Gold all in my teeth, ayy. You riding concealed, I keep that shit up in my wrist, ayy. Ride with that 4 bulldog muzzle on, won't let them speak, ayy. 5-6 with my city, yeah, I'm riding for Palm Beach, ayy. Who you know be cold like me though. Pulling up, I shoot no free throw. Face gate in the hood, understood roller what niggas armed at the door, no people. What you know about me, ayy? I been stuck in my way, ayy. Fuck minimum wage, ayy. Started busting the play, ayy. Heard you boys tryna lick me, ayy. 9 off in this 50, ayy. Step off and boo see me, ayy. Yeah, my mouthpiece leaning, ayy. Pay don't play with my soul, ayy. They be South be scheming. Pull up, big boy bankroll, drop 5 and nameless.
Tell him meet me at the green light. He actin' shady, so the shit don't really seem right. Tell him meet me at the green light. He actin' shady, so the shit don't really seem right. Oh, what you know about me?